guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I created this nice blue glittery eye look for you. So if you want to see the look, you can watch the whole video. And before starting the video, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a video. You can also follow me on Instagram, Snapchat. The details will be in the description below. And I will leave all the details of the face products that I have used in the details, because if I go through it now it would take a lot of time. So I will do my base first and then on camera I will do my eye look. I have used the Huda Beauty Obsessions palette. I use the Sapphire Obsessions because I never used it. I used it for the first time and I really love it. So if you want to see how I got this look, just keep on watching. I have already done my base. I've done my highlighter, my eyebrows, my highlight, and I've also primed my lids. So let's get into the eye makeup. We'll just do the eye makeup for today. I'm going to use the Huda Beauty Sapphire Obsessions palette. This is the palette. I haven't used it, this is my first time. I want to do something nice blue eyeshadow. So let's just start the video. I'm just gonna put some powder under my eyes, so if there is any fallout it is easy to clean off, because we are using dark colors. So if there is any fallout and if you don't have any powder under your eyes, then the eyeshadow will be all over your face and that won't look good. In this palette there is no crease shade. You can use the blue shade, but I want to do something brown in my crease, so I am going to use the first palette, the rose gold palette. This is the original one. You can also use the remastered one. I don't have that palette, I have this palette, so you can use any brown shade. First I am going to use the shade Sandalwood. This is the shade I am going to use. You can use any brown shade of your choice. So after you are done with something like this, now we will use the shade Cocoa. This is more of a chocolatey brown, and we will use a more denser brush. I will use this Morphe M332 and we will just pack this in the outer corner. And whatever is left in your brush, you can just put it in your crease. You can just blend the rest of it in your crease. I'm just using a clean fluffy blending brush and just blending out the colors so there is no harsh line. Now we will go with the Sapphire Obsessions palette. First I am going to put this shade. There is no name. I'm gonna I'm gonna put this blue shade all over my lid. I am going to use a much denser brush, but it has a tapered end. This is Morphe M411. This is a beautiful royal blue shade. We will put this all over the lids. I am going to use this Real Techniques brush. This is much more denser, so it will be easier to pack on the color. Yes, this is much better. See, I'm having so much fallout because I am just patting the color. Now I am going to use this blue shade and blend the colors, blend the blue color with the brown colors. I am going to use the Wet n Wild blending brush, and I'm going to use the light blue shade, and I'm just going to blend the blue color with the brown color. When you are doing this blue color will wash off, so you have to pack it again later on. I am going to use this dark blue shade, and I'm going to put this in the crease to blend out the shades. This is a nice navy blue color. Now we'll use the brown shade again, just in the crease, because as you are blending the colors wash off, so you have to rebuild the colors again according to your preference. So this is what the eyes are looking now. I don't know what shimmer shade should I use. This one, the top one, or the center one, because this center one I think I am going to use this one. Let's see, I'll just try out. We will use the center shade. This will look pretty. I'm just going to use my fingers because fingers work well with the shimmers. Later on we'll see if we want to use the Fix Plus. You see, it is looking so beautiful. We'll just pack this color all over the lid. Now for the inner corner, first I think we'll do the lower lash line. I'll just smudge out the colors and then we'll do the inner corner. I'll use a detail brush, angle brush, and we will use this shade, the one we had used to pack on the color, and we will just smudge out at the lower lash line. Now we will use a pencil brush and we will just use the same color and blend it out because I want a nice smoky lower lash line. Now for the inner corners, I think we'll use this shade, the silver one. I think that will be much better. I'll just wet my brush and use this color wet so it gives me a metallic finish. See, it is so pretty. Now we will use a blue liner. I hope I have a nice blue eyeliner works. First I have this Kiko eye pencil. I don't know whether it is going to work on my skin, on my eyes. Now I will do my eyelashes. I don't think I'm gonna put falsies. I don't want to put falsies. I'll do my mascara, then we'll do just lips, and then we are done. I am going to use the Essence Long Lasting Lip Liner. I am using the shade 08 Girl Next Door. It is a really neutral color. You can use any neutral color because I want to go for a nudie lips because I have such a bold eye color. It broke. For lips, I am going to use lip gloss. I don't want any liquid lipstick. I want to go for a glossy lips because I have shimmers on my eyes, so I don't want to go for anything matte. I have two options. First I have the NYX Intense Butter Gloss. I have the shade Tres Leches, or Leches, not Leches. Obviously it is Tres Leches. Then I have the ColourPop Ultra Glossy Lip. This was in collaboration with Kathleen Lights. This is in the shade Moonchild. So they both are two different nudes. The next one is kind of rosy. I'll just swatch it for you guys. These two are the shades. This one, the nudie one, this is brownie nude. This one is the Kathleen Lights ColourPop lip gloss, and this pinky one is NYX Intense Butter Gloss. I don't know which one should I go. I think we'll go for this. Let's see. I think we'll go for both. Then we will use the ColourPop one. This is, both are not sheer lip gloss, they have intense pigments, so if you don't like such lip gloss, you can use a lip color. You can use a bullet lipstick, or you can also use a matte lipstick. I don't like a lot of matte liquid lipsticks because it is too drying. So this is the lip color. So guys, this is the final look that I created. I hope you liked it. Just one thing, I had applied these two lip gloss, but I removed it and I only have applied the ColourPop one because I wanted something really nude something really nude, because my eyes were so bold. This was very pinky, so I was not liking this, but this is really nice. So you can see this is the final look. I hope you like the video. Please, actually the blue eyeshadow is still, if you can see, it is still on my under eyes. I had applied so much of powder, but it was still there. I wish I did my eyes first before my eyes. Before my eyes. I wish I did my eyes before my face. Anyways guys, if you like the video, please like the video, share my video, and also please subscribe to my channel. And if you want any more looks, you can write it in the comments below. And if you want to see the photos or posts related to this video, you can follow me on Instagram. And until next time guys, bye.